Back at it, another carbon fiber interior trim piece. Who would have thought? This one is from Next Gen Speed, unlike the other previous ones, which are all carbon add-ons. And this one, unlike the other ones as well, is a hard, solid piece of carbon fiber. Still an overlay, it's not a full replacement piece, unfortunately, but feels quite nice. It has, I mean, the weave looks pretty good. It's not hydro dipped or anything like that, and you can see on the underside it's held on with some 3M. This one actually looks like name brand 3M, so we'll see if it adheres properly or not. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this out in the car, and we're gonna start getting everything going. So join me back out there. Inside the car, giving everything a quick wipe down with some alcohol. And just pretty much everywhere the overlay trim piece is going to lay down on with the adhesive. So shifter trim kind of test fitted in here. It just kind of sinks over everything and lays on top. Hopefully once I pull the adhesive backing off, this will actually sit down a little bit more flush with everything. I'm gonna have to mess with this. Yeah, I'm gonna heat up the adhesive and see if I can get this bonded in place. A little bit of heat, and I'll try not to burn my junk off here. It may be tragic. And we have the shifter trim in place. Pretty good piece overall. It seemed like it bonded pretty good. You know, overall the adhesion seems pretty good. It looks nice. Everything's kind of dirty. I need to clean and wipe everything down. It's not an exact match to the more gel overlays, but it's quite close, unless you're hitting it with like a direct spotlight. Like I said, I need to wipe it down, you know, so it really pops. Plus I have a light on it, so it kind of throws it off a little bit. But the weave pattern itself looks pretty good. Only thing I really not 100% is it does not adhere really very well. The very back, you know, this does not stay down. I should have added some 3M to it or something, some additional 3M. I'm gonna try to tape this down and see if it sticks or not, but that's about the only piece part right here that I'm not super happy about, but not really noticeable unless you're like really delving into it. If you look at it at a normal angle, boom, you can't tell. So there's another piece knocked out, and still a pretty decent amount left to go. So all right, well, I'll wrap this video up. Be sure to catch out the whole playlist and catch the next video. Peace.